Hello children, I hope you all are good at your homes. Today we are going to start class 7, chapter number 1, bookwork. So open page number 12. First write today's date, that is 2010-2020. Fill in the blanks. A dash is a collection of data easily arranged in a way to give out the desired result. The answer is database, database, database. The column in a table that stores the same type of information is called a field, field, field. A key that can be used to uniquely identify a row in a table is called a primary key. The answer is primary, primary key. All the databases in ASIS 2010 will be stored with the extension .ACCDB. Expand the following abbreviations. Now the answer for BDMS. What is the full form? That is the DBMS, database, database, database management, management, management system, systems, systems. Second one, RDBMS, that is the relational, relational, relational database, database, database management, management, management systems, systems, systems. Third one, ORDBMS. The answer is, so ORDBMS, the answer is object relational, relational, relational database, database, database management, management, management systems, systems, systems. Choose the correct answer. Every row in a table is called a record. The collection of commands under the file tab is called backstage view. In MS Access, to close the application, select file tab and click dash option, exit. Now we are going to write the question and answers. You have to do the question answers in your notebook, okay, and the book work in the textbook only. Write the date. Chapter number 1, log on the MS Access. Answer the following questions. Question number 1, the answer is, the any two types of database models are hierarchical model and relational model. Question 2, the two examples of RDBMS are MS Access and Oracle. Question number 3, the answer is, the real need for a database arises in situation to store huge amount of data. Example, add new voters to list of voters, retrieve specific amount of data. Example, get the list of senior citizens from the voters list, manage a very large amount of data. Example, maintain the complete voters list of a country. Question number 4, the answer is, the features of BDMS are, BDMS is a software, it helps to create and manage a database. It works based on one of the database models. Question number 5, answer is, tables, they are the main storage containers of the data entered into the database. Queries, the queries are used to give criteria to view data or to create reports. Queries can store, sort, calculate, group filters, join tables, update data, delete data, etc. Forms, they are the primary interface through which the users of the database enter data. The data accepted through these forms are stored in tables. They are designed for on-screen viewing. Reports, reports can be generated by using the data in the table through queries. They can be printed and viewed. So children, you have to complete the chapter 1 in your notebook and the book exercise in the textbook only. Thank you.